Pishachi. How long we sleep on the lap of Maya Devi? Hey, please wake up. Eh? Then you take this highest medicine to how to conquer the Maya. Eh? Solar Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Enechi Osodhi Maya Nasibar Lagi Harina Mahamantra Lautami Magi. Harinam. Just to chant holy names. Then all your realization will come. Nothing will. Eh? So all is ready. Self-realization is the best
Realization.
realization. Happen. Eh? If you chant holy names, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Eh? I tell you, your heart is very nice, beautiful garden. Eh? Everybody here is many. Here is one.
Plants.
Eh? Plants. He is also gardener.
Yeah.
Eh? He is taking care the plants, vegetables. Eh? Many plants, also many flowers is here. So flowers are good.
Yeah.
Eh? But you have to give the some water. If you not give water, then after 2 or 3 days, their plants will be what? Dry and dry.
Die.
Dry and
Die.
finish. So, for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying these words, Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Ji Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bi Mali Haiya Sei Bij Kare Aropan Shravan Kirtan Jale Karo Sechan. You give the, you have to give water. Watering. What is the watering? Shravan Kirtan Jale. And listen Hari Katha. Glorify pastimes of Krishna. Remembers to Krishna. This is called Shravan Kirtan Jal. Water. Eh? In the same way, you listen Hari Katha from the mouth of pure devotee of Lord. Hari Katha Savana. Eh? When you listen Hari Katha, then your heart will be overjoyed. Sinnatang Sakatha Krishnam Punna Sravana Kirtanam Javadrani Vidunuti Suhidi Satam Nashta Prayesu Avadresu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Every day listen Harikatha. Harikatha is very important. Eh? You are listening Harikatha means Lord Sri Hari himself enter in your ears and coming in your heart and purified all your anarthas, unwanted things. And your heart will be neat and clean and Lord will be sit himself. Then your heart will be virgin. This is the process also. Without listening to Hari Katha, your heart will be never overjoyed. You take prasad, Prabhuji. Don't go anybody. Keep the prasad. Those who are going. Otherwise, who will take prasad? Huh?
Yes.
Okay? Take prasadam, Prabhu. Very well, please come, take prasadam. Lot of prasad is here.
Yeah.
So everybody take prasad.
Yes.
Huh? I will not take too much time because there is no light also. So if darkness will come, then problem.
Like a concert.
Huh?
We have 1 hour.
Yeah,
Before
we
dark,
have time.
we have 1 hour. 1 hour.
Before sunset.
Before
1 घंटा.
1 घंटा.
No excuse.
So Hari Katha Sravan. What do you say? Listen, Hari Katha. It's very important. Here is very nice, beautiful flowers. But after a few days, all these flowers will be what?
Die.
Dry and die.
And one petals will be falling down. Eh? Is it true or not?
Very true.
And but in your heart, that flowers and inside, and you don't know what things in your heart. You don't know yourself. And as like deer, you know deer?
Yes.
Eh? Deer. Sometimes deer also has some. It is called coming
Musk.
musk in his
Navel.
navel, and sweet fragrance coming. Sweet fragrance coming from the navel of the
Deer.
Musk.
Deer.
musk. But deer is thinking this sweet smell coming from
Outside.
outside. So it's running here and there. Eh? In the same way, actually everything's inside your heart. So far, Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem
Satya.
Sadhu Kabu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday. Uday means manifest. If you listen Hari Katha, it will be manifest. Very simple way. But these powers, it will one day it will be
Die. Dry and die.
dry. Nothing. Jhad jayega. So just I give an example. In Devananda Gaudiya Math, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, who established Devananda Gaudiya Math. Then, one is God brother. He came. Then when he entered in the main gate of Devananda Gaudiya Math, that time so many plants, flower plants are there. Sweet fragrance coming, Madhavi, Malati, many kinds of sweet flowers are there. So his god brother told to Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, oh, your garden is very nice, beautiful. Sweet fragrance coming, many kinds of flowers. That time Param Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he told, or that flowers after 1 or 2 days, one petals will be falling
Fall
down.
down.
But Sri Param Guru Maharaj, he indicates his fingers to Bhakti Pragyan, Bhakti Vedanta Sri Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Sri Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Vedanta Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Well, they are my perfect flowers.
Yeah.
What means is what? One day these flowers will be blossom and sweet fragrance. And that fragrance will be go all over the world. And thousand black bees, honey bees, they will be come. And spread this message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And in this way, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he predicted. So now he is going on this way also. Srila Gurudev, Srila Nitya Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he came in Western country. In America he came. And he preached very sweet Hari Katha. Then thousand, that devotees of black bees. Now all you are there. Black bees. Black bees, what they are doing? Collecting the honey. So you have come here also. So this is very nice, beautiful garden. Ishavastha sarumidam jatkintin jagatta vijagat tene tapta bhanjita magriddha kasya siddhanam. Isopanishad quoted these verses also. This material world is as like nice, beautiful garden. And all the living entities, they are called the plant of the flowers plant. But if you planted the flowers plant, need is what? Water. But who will give water? That is called Guru Padma. Eh? Guru Padma, Gurudev, he is giving the water. That is what? That is the Hari Katha.
Hari Katha.
Eh? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Nam Sankirtan. Eh? So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, what is they doing? And but giving instruction, everybody chant holy names. Eh? And listen, Hari Katha, sweet pastimes of depend on Radha and Krishna, Krishna Katha. Eh? If you not Krishna Katha, you will not be happy. Are you happy or not?
Yeah.
Yes, he is saying happy.
Happy now.
I tell you, eh? If you eat many kinds of delicious food, then your health will be strong. Eh? Good health will come. Eh? Good health will come or not? So, for the regard, every day you are eating many kinds of delicious food. Food for health, body. Food for body. But what is the food for your soul?
Hare Katha.
Eh? Food for soul, that is called Hari Katha. Eh? You don't know how is your Atman, soul, is crying. Eh? Sometimes crying and crying and crying and fainting. Eh? As like baby is crying for food. Eh? In the same way, your Atma is crying. You don't know. Eh? What the food for soul?
Hare Katha.
Hari Katha.
Hari Katha. Eh? Understand? So, listen Hari Katha. If you eat many kinds of delicious food, you will be healthy. Eh? But sometimes you will become very skinny also. If you eat too much, then you also become skinny also. If you eat too much, because diabetes will come, many diseases will come. No digesting power. But your Atma, soul is crying for food for soul. That is called Harikatha. This is the process also. This is all this body. This body is as like tree. Das Varna Saja Samana Brikka Parisajate. Upanishad gives evidence. This body is as like tree. In this tree, two birds are sitting, two sides. Left side and right side. One is called the birds of Atma. Or in the another, the birds of Paramatma. Atma and Paramatma. Paramatma, understand? Super soul. But in the middle of the Atma and Paramatma, one black screen. Some miracle is going on this way. Paramatma, super soul, he is watching, looking. And through the black screen, what is he doing? The Atma, what is he doing? He is watching. But Atma, he can't see the Paramatma. Why? Because middle, it's black screen all the way to. Black screen. So cannot see. The Paramatma can see. What is he doing? Every day what was he doing? Paramatma super soul watching or not? You don't know. And as like CCTV. What you are doing, what not you are doing, everything's record. and video cassette in your CCTV. And when you open, then you see. In the same way, Paramatma, the super soul, is watching, looking, as a witness. Eh? But when you completely surrender to Lord, then there's the black screen. What is the black screen? Black screen, that is called Maya. Eh? Black screen is the Maya. And here the black screen is the personification of
Maya.
when you surrender to Krishna, remember to Krishna, then black screen will be lifted, disappear. Then you can direct to take darshan to Paramatma Suparsha. Upanishad explain this. Eh? But if you not listen Hari Katha, then you cannot conquer the Maya. So the Hari Katha is very powerful. What did Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited this part? Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bhi Mali Hoya Sei Bij Kare Aropan Shravan Kirtan Jale Karaho Sechan. But one thing also Mahaprabhu saying, Brahmanda Vedya say Lata, and that the if you give the water, then that the sprouted and going to Golok Vrindavan. First cross this material world, then going to Vaikuntha Lok, then going to Ajodhya, Dwarka, Mathura, then going to Golok Vrindavan. In Golok Vrindavan, that the flowers coming. Then fruits, that fruits will ripen, and then
Falling down.
coming down in this material world. And prem phal paki pade mali ashada. That the fruits will ripen, then gardener will be taste. Oh, very nice this. You are planting many. What are your vegetables? He is saying. He likes vegetables. Huh?
For Thakurji. But yes.
Thakurji, everything for the Thakurji. This is true. That vegetables you offer to Thakurji.
Then?
Then offer to Thakurji. Then that prasad will come. Then all you distribute to everybody. Good or not? So you are nice. So give claps for him. He also planted very nice, beautiful there. What is that? This
Tomato,
tomato, cucumber, then pumpkin, and
butternut squash.
many things.
Like pumpkin.
And when you cook those, he's very nice. Cooks. Huh? He cook very nice. Delicious person. Give class for him. I'm making nice fish also here. Cake. I don't know. Huh?
From Haribi Mohini.
Haribi Mohini see also. Which one? Juice and cake. For the Balaram Prabhu's his birthday. Happy birthday. Nice prasad.
I have your
Hari Mohini Devi Dasi ki. Yeah. Or another? Not birthday cake? But tomorrow.
Charu Krishna, the yellow, made pizza.
Charu Krishna and Dayal?
He made pizza.
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 Why the pizza?
It's in ashram.
Are bring here, you distribute when you bring.
Okay, will you take prasadam here?
How? They will take prasad here or there?
here.
As you, here?
I think so.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, bring. Take prasad, give the prasad. Bolo Mahaprasad ki Hari Ram Sankirtan ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Oh, do Arati. Very not very difficult because too much
Yeah.
windy.
Inside that.
Eh?
Inside?
But,
Prasad?
but then if we
But
go
you distribute the prasad. हैं? बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे
Give yourself blessing.
Om. Hey, Ari, don't throw this. Give everybody hand, then chant this mantra. Eh? Chant this mantra. Bolo Om. Like this. Everybody take one flowers. Take purple.
Everyone come to the buckets and grab a flower.
तद्विष्णु परमं पदं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयो देवीव चक्षुराततं नमो ब्रह्मण्यो देवाय भो ब्रह्मण्यो हिताय च जगद्धिताय कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः ओम स्वस्ति नो स्वस्ति नो अच्युतानंतो स्वस्ति नो वासुदेवो विष्णु ददातु माधवो वाची माधवो हृदि स्मरन्ति साधव सर्वे सर्व कार्येषु माधवं लाभस्तेषां जयस्तेषां कुतस्तेषां पराभव जेषां इन्द्रवर श्यामो हृदस्तु जनार्दन ओम श्री विष्णु ओम स्वस्ति ओम सर्वमंगलं भवतु तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम हरे हरे ओम सर्वमंगलं भवतु तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय. Give blessing to you. Don't go to Maya. Because Maya is very powerful. And any second Maya will be catched. But very carefully, if you strongly bhajan and sadhan and your Guru Nishtha, then you will never go to Maya. Or if you have no Guru Nishtha, no Guru Bhakti, then Maya Devi grab you. And another you committed offense against the Guru and Vaishnava, then big problem. So for this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Rupa Goswami path, that is the Rupa Siksha. And if you committed offense towards the Vaishnava or Guru, then your Bhakti Devi will be very carefully, everybody have to perform bhajan and sadhan, and otherwise big problem will be. You will be never surprised. And who is live our Krishna consciousness, you will never surprised. But you always will be surprised. Those who are still performing bhajan and sadhan to Radha Krishna. Why? Because Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told the nature of conditioned soul go to Dhamma. And as like the insects of the stool, where is going? If we separate the insect from the stool, that insect again going to have the Vistakira. That is called Vistakira going in them. I mean, this nature of the conditioned soul always going to the Maya. Yes. So for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, he also told this katha, and we will never surprise those who are living Krishna consciousness going to Maya. Never survive. It is the nature. Eh? But still those who are performing bhajan and sadhana, Guru, Vaishnava and Srimad even Radhan, no? Understand? This is a very important. Because Maya Devi is very strong. Maya Devi always was pulling down. Understand? It's the nature. So those who are living in our Krishna consciousness, give up Krishna consciousness, Guru never surprise. Never surprise. Because they came from Maya and again they return back to Maya. But still those who are performing bhajan and sadhana, service in Guru and Vaishnava will be served. This is the process. Because not so easy to conquer the Maya. Doivi jesa gunamai mama maya durakta mame ja pravaddante maya metan taranti. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna says to Arjuna, hey Arjuna, listen very carefully. My Maya, then Daivi Maya, she is very powerful. No one can conquer it. But one who completely surrender to Guru and Krishna, then he can conquer it. Otherwise there are no any other things. If you have Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, then Maya Devi will not disturb you. Or if you have not Guru Bhakti, Guru Nishtha, then Maya Devi stop you. So very carefully, and everybody do bhajan and sadhana. Because this human life is very, very rare. And there are no guarantee next life you will get back this human body and there are no guarantee. What you say, Bharat Maharaj, who attained the stage of Bhavadasa, and still also what? Ramjan. This is an example it is. Because Maya Devi is very powerful. So very carefully, one point is with Guru and Krishna. This life, we have to take vow. I will attain to the abode of Lord. Hey, how do? And chanting holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hello Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. महाप्रष्टं विष्णुपाद भक्ति वेदांत शिवम विष्णु महाराज की जय ज्ञान प्रभुपाद महाराज पान गुरु की जय हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय गौर भक्त वृंद की जय अनंत बड़ी वैष्णव वृंद की जय अवेद गौर भक्त वृंद की जय जय इस महाप्रसाद की जय कृष्ण बलराम प्रभु की जय विभाग की जय अलंकारी भक्त जय बक्रेश्वर पंडित की जय सुबह आविर्भाव की थी तू आविर्भाव की थी
Shri Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj ki
प्रसाद self-realization.
It's the master line.
These stickers you can put outside, like on your car, anything, and they'll be fine.
Self-realization?
Very good, everybody come, take it.
Oh, yeah, can I have one more? Thank you.